This is absolutely a glass of goodness, and I mean, a hair saver, ranging from helping cope my dandruff to keeping my scalp healthy and also retaining moisture to a reasonable amount. Without further ado, let's jump right into the video. Hey lovers, I'm Messi Lucci and I make videos on proving DIYs that work wonders. So if you're concerned about your skin, your hair and homemade easy products, then this channel is for you. Here I have my rosemary. In a different video, I'll be giving a detailed health benefit of this amazing spice. This is cloves. In a much different video, I will also speak about the health benefit of cloves. Then I have my spoon to stay and measuring spoon, then a sieve, an applicator bottle, and a clean storage jar. A carrier oil of your choice. I'll be using olive oil for this video, which is great. Let me know your preference in the comment section. I sometimes use olive oil, I use coconut oil, I use almond oil, I use variety of oils, yes, and each of them have their unique benefits. Finally, we have our blender. So I'll be going in with a full measurement of this cup. I had to use an extra support to fill it. I hope you can see the measurements, though not so clear. Secondly, I'll be using 2 spoons of this. Clove is antibacterial, hence is great for curbing microorganisms that result in dandruffs. I remember sometime I really had a bad acne and I could remember using cloves. Yeah, it was great. The only thing was it kind of darkened my skin. Yeah, but the period of time I was using it, the pimple didn't show. It dried off completely. You could try it. Yeah. I so much love this blender because it can blend your spices to a suitable texture, especially when you don't want it to be very smooth. I had to still blend to be near smooth, not so smooth though. Finally, I'm transferring the blended mix into a glass jar, a glass storage jar. I'll be using 5 cups of olive oil. In most cases, I use coconut oil and it's great too. Yeah, whichever carrier oil you use, it's fine. After which I shake vigorously. Emphasis on the word vigorously. Most times I prefer to, especially situations where I really need it. Yeah, perhaps my hair oil got finished or maybe someone has need of it, something like that. I immediately try to make this, and the process of infusing it faster is by ensuring I shake vigorously. I don't really need to use everything. Um once I'm able to shake this to a good amount, I take the quantity I want and I leave the rest to stay for as long as possible until I need it. By doing that, the infusion gets better. Yeah, but still the first day it's still amazing and it works well. The more frequent you shake, the faster the infusion. Leaving it for days doesn't really guarantee great star potency. After production, I just take the quantity I will use for about 2 weeks and then leave the rest in jar to stay for as long as when I need it again. Now I'll go ahead to separate the oil from the residue. You can see the oil has really settled. The residue are still showing because I didn't use a very thin cloth for the separation. Do wait to use a very thin pore cloth to filter. It will help to eliminate those residues, you could say. It's so nice doing this with you guys. I specifically love this bowl as it saves me the stress of using funnels. It just goes in with no stress. Some drops of the rest though are still showing. I will have to refilter, but for the video to just show you how I do it. Trust me guys, this is a go-to easy mist. I mean, simple to make. I hope you got value for your time. Kindly do well to check out my videos and also subscribe for amazing proving DIYs. I love you guys. Bye.